Are you guys holding on to Shiba Inu coin? If so, then be sure to smash the like button. Plus, we have some sources saying that Webull, the trading app compared to Robinhood, might just list the Shiba Inu coin on their platform. And this might send our awesome Shiba coin to the moon. Let's go, guys! Shiba Inu could be listed on Webull very soon, although they have not made an official announcement to list the Shiba Inu token. Every indication shows that they have great interest in the Shiba Inu token. Also, guys, Webull has written so many beautiful articles about Shiba Inu lately. This means that there might be an over 5,000 coin on the Shiba Inu market cap. Now, just as Elon Musk has not officially declared his intention to invest in Shiba Inu, like he did with Dogecoin, but he has been tweeting about it, which shows that he has so much interest in the project. The Shiba Inu price is off to a slow climb upwards in early trading on Sunday, strengthening by more than 3.5% over the past 24 hours and by almost 17% over the past week. So Shiba Inu is trading at around $0.5086, a potential competitor for Dogecoin. This meme coin enjoys the support of an active fan base online, which keeps its price from collapsing even when the sentiment towards the wider crypto market suffers a setback. However, analysts remain unconvinced about its long-term prospects in an age when most of the leading digital assets are finding numerous applications. Beyond being used for payment transfer, especially in the DeFi and app space, the lack of backing from different projects and institutional investors make Shiba Inu more volatile than other currencies. Shiba Inu coin has had a run of luck recently, holding off a huge dip that other cryptocurrencies have seen, according to FX Street. The other major issue with SHIB coin right now is that it's not as easy to buy as Dogecoin, which is available on Robinhood, Coinbase Pro, and more. There is a campaign to get Shiba Inu coin on Robinhood, but that seems to be a grassroots effort more than anything. As I wrote for the Desert News, SHIB coin is selling for about $0.000085 per coin with a market value of $3.4 billion, so there's still plenty of time to grow. Per Market Realist, the current predictions suggest SHIB coin will reach a value of $0.000019 per coin in 2022 and later hit $0.000061 per coin in 2025. That would be a near 620% increase from where the coin is at now, which might sound like a good opportunity to invest. Market Realist laid out the plan for how SHIB coin could reach the $1 benchmark, which has been a goal for Dogecoin supporters. SHIB coin would need to climb 12 million% to hit $1. Since January, the coin has jumped about 2 million% every month, so it could in theory hit $1 by the end of 2021 if it keeps up that growth, according to Market Realist. If Shiba maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if it grows at the rate of 20% per month, it would require 5 years to hit $1 the milestone, which points to 2025 at the earliest, Market Realist reports. SHIB, which features the image of a Shiba Inu hunting dog, is now the 28th largest crypto in the world. Dogecoin stands as the 6th largest, according to CoinMarketCap.com. At last check, SHIB was trading about 1% higher. According to CoinMarketCap.com, while Bitcoin prices were down over 8%, changing hands at $32,192.43 on CoinDesk, as the broader crypto complex remained under pressure due to China's ban on mining. The enthusiasm for SHIB and other Dogecoin copycats appears to be growing among those on the prowl for the next popular social media-inspired asset. Much of the cryptocurrency world can feel like an inside joke. One coin that has become prominent in the past month seems even more obscure, like an inside joke about an inside joke. Shiba Inu coin, created in August 2020 by an anonymous person calling themselves Ryoshi, is billed as an alternative to Dogecoin, which itself was created as a lighthearted option to Bitcoin. Shiba Inu feels as if it was willed into existence and is now being listed on major crypto exchanges through the power of memes, crowds, persistence, and a cute dog. A website that hosts the coin's white paper, or rather roof paper, calls it an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Shiba Inu is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, like many other coins. By design, each one is worth a minuscule amount, $0.000078 on Thursday. Everyone, be sure to smash the like button and give this video a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys.
Anytime. Let's talk a little about the trading app Robinhood. It filed that S-1. It is the first step towards one of the most highly anticipated IPOs of the year. And the filing revealed so much. The company's rapid growth on one end, offering insight into its financial roller coaster from earlier this year after a round of what was emergency fundraising, you remember, amid all of those meme stock trades. Then there was a lawsuit, a settlement with the SEC. Robinhood founders have a lot to address to investors in their upcoming roadshow. And joining us right now to discuss all of this is venture capitalist Jeff Lewis. He's the founder and managing partner of Bedrock Capital. Jeff, it's great to see you. It was like reading a book last night, trying to understand all of the different elements of it. Of course, the one piece that everybody seemed to be so fascinated by was how reliant they are on Dogecoin in terms of the fees that they were collecting off of crypto. What was the thing that stuck out to you?
Well, I think that's a very interesting comment, Andrew, on the state of the market writ large today. And, on the one hand, this is a company that has just executed phenomenally well. I mean, Dogecoin is maybe a case in point of how really this company has not only tapped into the culture, but really created a new culture around trading by democratizing access to the markets for folks through their business model. I think their name is maybe slightly misleading in that they're not really stealing from the rich and giving to the poor. They're driving a lot of order flow for folks like Citadel. But all that said, huge credit to this company. Now, all that being said, though, at the same time, you got to think about what does the future hold for the markets? And in a world where a huge amount of the volume for Robinhood is Dogecoin, a meme cryptocurrency, one does need to ask some questions around, is this a long-term, are the markets long-term going to keep accelerating with this crazy Fed-driven frenzy that we've seen today? And I think that actually is the most important question when it comes to this stock in particular.
And how would you answer that question?
Well, I'd answer that question by starting to think a little bit about, on a sort of fundamental level. One of the questions I always ask is,
we're going to want to get back to Phil LeBeau now. What's some news he brought us earlier about a 737 cargo plane in the water off Honolulu. Phil.
David, good news. The crew, 2 pilots, have been rescued by the Coast Guard off the coast of Oahu as the Coast Guard responded to a Boeing 737. This was a cargo version of a 737 that was attempting to return to Honolulu when they experienced engine problems. They had to put the plane down in the water, and they did a belly landing, which, as anybody who is familiar with aviation realizes, that is not easy to do. I know it has been done a few times. Very rarely is it successful where there is not a major crash and a plane breaks apart. But in this case, they were able to rescue the crew. They're still investigating. The NTSB and FAA are looking into this. This is a cargo